Video lesson drawing, painting abstract paysage with dry pastel and simple crayons. For beginning, we denote blue crayon with blue crayon. Add circuit of paysage and background and common features. Put some dark green crayon. You need to buy sandpaper medium hardness in building store of pastel paper, what you prefer. Filling ground with yellow, purple, green, blue crayons to mix these colors and get the picturesque paysage. And put some deep blue color to add blue color to yellow and deep green.
Because I'll break your heart.
Maybe I'll break yours.
Nobody breaks my heart.
And then add white crayon between yellow and deep green. Add some birds with a dark crayon. And wrap it with fingers. You will get colorful combination of different tones with rubbing your fingers by it. I rub with my fingers these stones in paysage and smooth out some place to get smooth look, and add with red crayon eyes and you can experiment with other tones. It's better to wipe your hands with napkin for not to put their tones in clear sky. Drawing detailed eyes, sorrow eyes. That's all, pictures is done. Thanks a lot for your attention. subscribe to channel, Larremore, and add rain drops and some details. Add some details. Thanks a lot for your attention. Here you can see what we have as a result. And watch next lessons if you want to buy visage, so write me.
Because I'll break your heart.
Hi, on this channel you will know how to draw the dry pastel on the sandpaper and pastel paper, and how to draw the simple crayon on the street. I love dry pastel because I mix colors on the sandpaper with my fingers and get great smooth flows of tones. Especially I love to draw sky, water, rainbow and distant part of paysage.